In this video, I'll show you how to create a template on Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign into your Notion account. Creating a template in Notion is a brilliant way to streamline your workflow, whether you're managing projects, journaling, or building a content calendar. So to start that, go ahead and create a new template. And then once you have created a new template, go ahead and design your layout. So add headings, checkboxes, tables, images, and other blocks to structure your content. Think about what you want repeated every time you use the template. So you can also incorporate template buttons. So to do that, you need to go ahead and scroll down at the very bottom of this page and then place the button where you want to place it. So to create a button, you need to go ahead and enter the command slash template on that specific area. So let's try it out here, slash template. And then once you click on it, you'll be able to create a button for this template. Configure it to duplicate specific blocks or layouts when clicked. Now, once your template is ready, save it with a clear name. You can duplicate it anytime or share it with others. And that is how you can basically create a template on Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.